Excellency, you are led with high dignity, but beneath that calm has brought a relentless commitment to develop the unity. You have expanded routes to remote communities and assured them that they are not supported. You have built bridges where there were barriers. You have built homes where there was darkness. This is what it means to govern with empathy. From the Akpabio highway to the Yenagua of Roma Bridge, you have connected lives. From classrooms to community, you have proven that good governance is not about noise, but about impact. You are now part of the progressive family, a family that thinks and acts together. So we welcome you into this fold to watch and support you as champion. You have already been one. From the health reform that gives hope to the sick, to the schools that have opened the gates of opportunity to thousands of your children, we are here to restore the confidence and dignity of those who have lost faith in government. His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a man. I've shown us time and again that politics is not war. It is the art of building bridges across rivers of difference. And so, no one understands this metaphor more profoundly than a son of the fifth who has built literal and political bridges across the waters of the Niger. So, Your Excellency, this is for us a political union with a progressive mind. You have always been a progressive.
Today is a special day, a day of joy. We are here in our numbers to show solidarity to the governor of Bayelsa State, a progressive man who took a progressive decision at a progressive time. We are highly joyed to observe that Nigerians are beginning to recognize the leadership acumen of the leader of our great party, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That Nigeria is united. That Nigeria has risen in unison to agree that this great leader is taking us to our next destination.
And I landed at Bayelsa International Airport. And I drove down here. You can't imagine the joy that I have. South is turning around. The national chairman, these are your people. These are your voters. South is one. You have 100% from 2027. May the Lord bless the opportunity for this system. May the Lord bless all our governors. And all those who are going to show recently progress in this. South is one. This is the voice of the celebration. Justice
There are moments in the life of a nation when politics transcend partisanship. When the call to service outweighs the colors of our sentiments, and when leaders answer to something greater than their affiliations. Your Excellency Governor Diri, today You have shown us that Bayelsa State has chosen the life of national integration over the shadows of political isolation.